Good morning, children. Have you remembered what we were learning in our last English period? Yes, we were learning about a wonderful and amazing granny. A granny who is perfect, who is an excellent player in every kind of games. So today also we have to know something new about that granny. So today we will learn the last three stanzas of the poem Olympic Granny. There are some new words which today we have to learn. So let's see which are the new words. So new words are pole vault, fearless, fencing, incredible and astonishing. So children, our first new word is pole vault. P-O-L-E pole, V-A-U-L-T vault. So pole vault. Children, pole vault is a kind of a game in which players use a long and flexible pole, and with the help of that long and flexible pole, player jump over a high bar. You can see in this picture a player is there and he is holding a long and flexible pole in his hand, and with the whole help of that long and flexible pole, player is trying to jump over a high bar. So children, our next new word is P-E-E-R-L-E-S-S, peerless. So peerless means matchless, something which doesn't have any match. That we can say that it is peerless, like our parents love. Our parents loves us lot, and their love is peerless, means matchless. No one can love us like our parents loves us. So we can say that it is peerless. Parents love is peerless, matchless. Our children, our next new word is F-E-N-C-I-N-G, fencing. Fencing is also a kind of a game in which players use swords, and with the help of that sword, player attack on the other players, and other player also attack on the another player. So in the fencing game, so many rules and regulations are there while players are attacking on each others. You can see in this picture, two players are there and they are holding a sword in their hands like that, and with the help of that sword, one player is trying to attack on the another player, and the another player is trying to defend himself from the another player. So it is also a very interesting game. Another new word is incredible. I-N-C-R-E-D-I-B-L-E. Incredible means something which is unable to believe, which no one can believe on that. Like that, in the same situation in our poem, poet is saying that the granny, she can play, she can run, she can jump, she can swim. Everything is unable to believe. So we can say that the granny is incredible. She is unable to believe. Whatever she is doing, it is incredible. No one can believe on that. So children, our last new word is A-S-T-O-N-I-S-H-I-N-G, astonishing. Astonishing means surprising, something which really surprises us. It is amazing, we can say amazing or surprising. Any news, when we heard any news and we shocked, we feel surprising, that we can say it is astonishing. So now children, these are the new words. Now I am going to start reading the last three stanzas of the poem Olympic Granny. You also look into your textbooks and listen carefully. She beats the best at boxing. Now children, not only at wrestling, the granny, she is the best at boxing. She can play boxing best. Her performance is super at boxing also. She is one of the best boxer. At the pole vault, that is peerless. That comes belongs to pole vault. In that also, she is unmatchable. Peerless means unmatchable. No one can match her. In pole vault also, means she is better than the other players in pole vault. She is having such a flexible body. With the help of that, she can jump over a high bar also. So, such an amazing and wonderful granny she is. Her fencing is the finest. She is positively fearless. Now children, she is finest at fencing also. She can attack with the help of sword on her competitor, and she is finest at fencing also. And she is positively fearless. She is undoubtedly she is fearless. Means she doesn't fear anybody. She doesn't fear her competitors. She is a fearless lady. Next second stanza. She is masterful at basketball. She truly rules the court. Now children, she is masterful. Means she plays basketball like a master. She is very excellent. She is very good player of basketball. She can play basketball best, excellent. She truly rules the court. Means she can throw the ball into the basket. She can dribble the ball perfectly. And now children, she is the queen of the basketball court. Means all the court belongs to that granny. She is the queen. She is master at basketball. And equally incredible at every other sports. And it is incredible means it is unable to believe that not only at basketball, that granny is perfect, superb and excellent at all kinds of sports. Means she can play all sports best. Last stanza. But what we find astonishing and something of a shocker. Now children, there is something which shocks you. There is something which is really astonishing, means surprising. When you will listen that fact, you will feel shocked. You will be shocked. You will feel surprised. It's amazing. You will say, what an amazing fact it is. So let's see what it is. Is how she wins all contests with her wheelchair and her walker. Now the children, can you say how she can win all kinds of sports perfectly, and she can win all sports because she is on her wheelchair and with the help of walker. Means now children, here is a twist. That old lady, she is 99 years old. She cannot walk properly. She cannot stand on her feet. Still, she is ready to go to Olympics. She is good at ground sports. She is good at water sports. She is good at mountaineer sports. And she is the best at everything. And still, though she can do everything, because still though she is on a wheelchair and a walker. Miss children, what a motivative thing is. She motivates us even at this such a difficult situation she is in, and still she is ready to face all the difficulties. She is ready. She is not losing her hope, and she is ready to accept all kind of challenges. So children, this granny is also motivating us that we also should not lose our hope. At any difficult situation, we have to do our best. We have to do hard work. And whatever the situation is there, we should not be afraid. And we have to face all kind of difficult situations. So children, here we have completed our poem Olympic Granny.